Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I've got to get that box. I've got to fish a wire from that plug, that right-hand plug. I'm going to put a cut-in box up here for the electrical. Take this cut-in box and put it up in here. Fish a wire down there to the plug, which means I have to take that out. I don't know if I can fish it into that box or not, but if I can't fish it into this existing box, once I pull this out, pull the plug out, turn the power off, and all that, I could maybe drill a hole up in there, fish the wire down there. That's kind of tricky to do. And I might look at that first, because I could maybe shove the wire up that way or something. And then maybe I don't have to take the actual box out. But if that's not going to work, I can take that box out of there, take the existing plastic box out, and I could put a cut-in box right in here. Because see, then I got a whole cavity there that I can fish the wire down to, pull it back out, refish in the existing wires, all that kind of good stuff. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do with that. Now as for the cable, I'm going to put a cut-in box in here. I'm just going to line it up with these, and I'll probably end up putting it right about here. And the dresser, like I say, more than likely there'll be a dresser here. And even if there wasn't, it'll still look clean enough down low that it's going to be fine. So I put a cut-in box there, because you remember there was a stud there. Okay, so I'm going to do that. And then from there, I'm going to go up. And we're going to have a cut-in box here for the power. We're going to have a cut-in box here for the cable TV. Here goes that train again. Kind of like the sound of that train if I was living here. You know, it goes every once in a while, and it only goes during the day, so it's really not going to bother anybody at night. But anyways, get that second box here, fish the cable for the cable TV through here, down. I'll also put the DVD cables down through this box, down to the bottom, and that's gonna look primo.